live in a world where we think things are a certain way, and they're not, but we continue to live in that world. For example, when I do a behavior manager training, and I have a teacher tell me, I don't understand. I tell my kids not to do something, and they do it. I'm like, okay, then what's next? She's like, what do you mean? I tell my kids not to do something, and then they do it again. And I'm like, yeah, because that's how it works. But she's not even open to that. She lives in the, listen, there used to be a time where we would tell kids what to do, and they would listen. But now, they don't, like, they're quicker, faster, sharper, and usually it's not all the kids don't listen. 90% of your kids, 95% of your kids come to us, say, crisscross household, they'll go do it. The two kids that don't are the king and the queen, the alpha boy and the alpha girl, and their cronies. The princes, not the copycats. Right? So our world is how do we get kids to do what we want them to do, and giving them an instruction doesn't work. Don't touch her. You're not allowed to say so. Exactly. Yeah. So what did I just tell you? Exactly. So I say don't touch her, she touches her. Now they're told don't touch each other, they're touch fast. Okay? If I understand, because I have plucked myself outside of the matrix, I understand. When I tell a child not to do something, all I'm doing is I'm telling them to do it, and I'm letting the entire classroom know this is how you get attention from me right now. Ready? I don't want to hear another peep at me. Thank you.